What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. Just a quick video on how to replace the batteries in your Yale smart home door lock. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick shout out to Todd M, MissKick2S, and Rob Leslie. Thank you so much for your support. Alright, so this is just a quick video on how to replace your Yale door lock batteries. So we have our Yale brand smart lock here, and all you have to do to replace the batteries is nothing proprietary, just a regular screwdriver. Take this one screw out here, and then you just pull this up. These are regular AA batteries. Mine, when I opened it, they were non-rechargeable alkalines. I put in some rechargeable AA's and it works absolutely fine. You just take those out, put some new ones in, and you're good to go. They made it seem like you kind of have to call whoever you rent with or maintenance or whatever to replace these when I first got them, but they're just AA's. They're super simple. So yeah, I hope this helped you out, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.
What? You've never heard of Stream Savers? And you thought PewDiePie was the only YouTuber to make a game? I made a game too, and it's called Stream Savers, and it's available for pre-order right now for $9.99, and that's a great price.